Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So for today's unboxing video, we are checking out this Lanyard kit or lanyard. I always say Lanyard. I always mess it up. So it comes with 2 key rings. You got another strap, which is an easy disconnect piece right here. So this is good for name tags, certain purses you can use this with, but it's basically good for name tags. And as you can see, easy access. So you would have your name tag around here, and then you could use one of the key rings and have, a bunch of stuff on it. Good for your car keys if some people like these. Currently, right now, we have this one for our car keys. It's a thinner one. So a lot of people do like these. So this one is much thicker and much heavy duty, much higher quality. And it's nice that it comes with a 2 solid key ring as well, so you can have, different stuff on different ones, which is really nice. And of course, we can't forget about this. So we'll probably actually swap out our key over here. So take this one off, drop this back, have it for that one. We might reinforce it because this key ring is not that good. These are made much high quality metal, so we might swap them out. But very nice, guys. It's gonna work great for whatever you want to use. And obviously, of course, it goes around your neck as well, so you can be wearing it. So just like that. So it makes it really nice, my friends.